As the saying goes, all pilgrimages are repeated, Gangasagar once is equal to that. That is, it is possible to gain the same amount of merit by visiting all pilgrimages repeatedly, by visiting Gangasagar Mela only once. This pilgrimage place is very important to the Hindus. The Ganga river meets the sea here. That is why this place is called Gangasagar. Gangasagar Mela started on 8th January in the premises of Kapil Muni's ashram in Sagar and will continue till 17th January. The administration has informed that more than 45 lakh pilgrims have already taken a holy bath in Gangasagar this year. This Mela is second to the Kumbh Mela organized in Allahabad on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. And on the occasion of this festival, a large number of people from different parts of the country gather here to take a dip at the confluence. Due to the gathering of so many people, a lot of garbage accumulates at this time. Keeping that in mind, a voluntary organization has taken a special initiative. A workshop is being held on how to make daily necessities by recycling waste. The discarded things can be reused again. Even the waste materials of the pilgrims in Gangasagar will be reused to build various roads in the vicinity, said the workers of the voluntary organization. Anita Meti Bala said that since January, pilgrims have been gathering in Gangasagar to take the holy dip, and this commendable work is done with the waste left by these pilgrims. We are recycling the waste left by the pilgrims by bringing it here and recycling it, starting from organic fertilizer to glass items and even making various roads in Gangasagar. More than 200 workers are working on the conversion process. This project is being carried out in 8 units from Nankhana to Gangasagar. Keeping in mind the safety of the workers, we are constantly keeping this place clean and sanitizing it constantly. We are working on how the waste of the pilgrims who come to perform pilgrimage to Gangasagar is used by humans. After the fair, glass bottles, old clothes and other things will be collected from the beach.